Hey everybody, filming a quick video how to replace your rear inner trunk light or your reverse light in your Mazda 3 or your Speed 3. So here's the donor, as you can tell, because it's got your little lock in there. I was having some issues with the other one and condensation. As y'all can see, it's pretty wet. So I'm just gonna let it dry for now in the hot south sun till it looks good. Then I'm probably gonna reseal it and see if that'll do it. But for now, I have this one that I'm gonna put in. So it's a really simple job. Obviously, you open your hatch, you'll come up here to this little panel right here. Have it off. It's pretty simple to take off, no biggie. The two screws will be 10s. And what you'll do is you'll partially close it and push from the inside. And when you push from the inside, it'll let up right here, kind of like this motion. Then, once it's off, you can see that we need to put the button back. There's no button. There will be two Phillips that you will take off, put them back in, and boom, good to go. It's a really simple process. The most difficult part was basically unclipping these, but if you get some needle nose, you can kind of force it to the side like this, and it makes it much easier to clip out. So I'm gonna go through the process, wrap it up, and we'll come back and see if hopefully everything works. So see y'all in a minute. Okay, going through the reinstallation. You're going to want to start with the innermost one attached to the light when you put it back. So not this one, but the one with the hump. Why? So that you can get it properly in place and tighten it, because you can't fit this one back in once the light's in place. So leave this one on, fit it back in, put this one back in place. Okie dokie. All swapped. And oh well, I don't have my keys on me, but it works. So the lights work, the button works, the swap is easy. To run through it real quick, all you'll need is a deep 10. There will be two little brown clips. They slide into these little notches here. You'll pop this panel off, take those two screws out, push from the inside out, and pull it off. Then you'll take off the two Phillips for the lock button. It should just kind of wiggle right out. Like it kind of feels like it wouldn't come out, but just wiggle it, it'll come right out. Give it a clean. Put the clip and everything in the new one, and basically rinse and repeat. Now you're going to want to put this clip in first, or you're going to put this one on for installation and not this one. You're not going to be able to fit it around this panel right here. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. Otherwise, hopefully the new light you bought works, but it should be pretty straightforward. All right, thanks, bye.